What's up, YouTube? Having exciting things to tell you guys. So, anyways, let's get to it here. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this new. Well, it's not. Well, it's new for me. They've been around for I'd say a year or two now, and it is called a FundedNext. So let's get into here, guys. I want to be able to run into this. This is my back office. Working a 50,000 stellar account here. I'm gonna run into give you guys a little bit of details, what this program entails and what some of the rules and guidelines and procedures. And so this is the back office here. I have not started trading at all whatsoever yet. I do plan on starting trading on this account tomorrow morning, which would be Wednesday on the 29th here. So let's see here. I want to be able to run into this is a two-step program. It is a swap account, which hold on. Yeah, swap account here. Just trying to get a feel for all this. Anyways, let's see here. This is my affiliate account. For those of you guys that do sign up, please let me know. And that way I can add you guys to a specific chat group here for you guys. So let me know, guys. Here's my referral link. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that's been a part of my channel as well, that's been following me. I am gonna hop in and show you guys the actual server here. You guys get a chance to see. So I chose to do MT5 because MT4 has glitches here and there. Based on the past of the amount of profits that I've been trading, I've seen more latency and lag issues on, especially with the MT4 platform. So with the MT5, I like it. It's actually more robust versus the MT4 itself. So this is their server. It's called FundedNext, and even though FundedNext has their actual incorporation name, this is FundedNext server. So this is what I'm gonna be trading on starting tomorrow. I do plan on doing live stream for you guys, get a chance to feel this out, and make sure you guys get a chance to see if this is a right profit for you guys. Also, like I said, I am promoting this, so whatever you guys do sign up, you guys are just helping me out in the affiliates as well. So let's get back into here. Plan on trading all this tomorrow. Let's see. I'm gonna go back and talk about this program just a little bit, so you guys get a chance to feel out what this is all about here. So that way you guys get a chance to see if this is the right fit for you guys. That way you guys get a chance to make that decision for yourself. Let's see, what else I want to talk about? I was approached by this company a couple weeks back to promote their firm. And as always, guys, make sure you do your research. Like I said, always do your research and understand the fact that regulations come and go. And with the new regulations in process, we don't know if the prop firm is going to be able to withstand the test of times. And so I don't, like I said, this is something for me, like I said, to put my name out there. And at the end of the day, if the company does make a fall, always make sure that you take your money and withdraw and go into other brokers as well. So that is my disclaimer for you guys, because you guys have seen the amount of companies I promoted, the amount of brokers I promoted. Some have stand till this day, and some are bankrupt and no longer existing. So, but I'm going to run into the program here for you guys, so you guys get a chance to see what this prop firm has to offer. They're still running this 2-day promotion. It's their Cyber Monday, 11% discount. So take advantage, make your money in the prop firms, and like I said, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your money in one prop firm. I just put that out right now. You know, who knows how long some of these will exist. So I'm on the Stellar program here. So for challenge 3, and there's no time limit on this. You're basically scaling the program. The swap account. So you got to pay swap fees. I'm on 50,000 account. So the cool part is of this profit share. So if you were to complete both challenge phases and you complete the profit targets for phase 1 and 2, your total payout would be 15%, which is 975. I broke it down. It's I forgot what it was. It's like it's like 250. It was like 250 and then like 775 for the first phase 1 and then 250 for the second for phase 2. After that, then your third phase would be getting an actual live account with them, which is what your program is for. So for me, it would be a 50,000 account, and then you can start making your 90%. Wait, hold on, it's up to 90%. So I would believe that they're probably going to pay you out at. They guarantee 24 hours payout. Like I said, we'll see how that all works out when I do get my first payout, and I'll let you guys know how soon they actually give you this. So let's talk about this. They compare all this to FTMO and Fund Trader. They compare all the stuff that they have. Like I said, this I don't know. It's not comparing to all the prop firms here. FTMO and Fund Trader is actually pretty way up there. So I want to be able to give you guys a chance to feel this out for yourself. They allow news trading. Let's see here. I want to make sure you guys get a chance to know this. We allow news trading, step 1, step 2. However, an express model, this option is not available. So I think express draw down. No, let's go back. Weekend holding. Okay. Expert advisors are allowed. Using trade calculator software is allowed with all FundedNext challenge. It just says challenge. So there's a reset discount. If you were to fail the phase or any of the phases you want to come back. Refundable fee. I'm not getting a refundable fee because they actually gave me a $50,000 account. So kudos to the FundedNext prop firm. Thank you for believing in me. And I want to put my skills to the test on this. And like I said, I plan on trading live. I do plan on doing live streaming with this account, so you guys get a chance to see some of the few live trades here. And let's see what else I want. I don't think there's pretty much anything else I need to talk. If there's any questions in regards to FundedNext, you guys can message me, especially on Telegram, because I'm always on Telegram. My paid chat group's on there, so you guys can always message me on there. If not, email me. Other than that, like I said, very excited to test this out. And like I said, there's so many prop firms out there. Make sure you guys do your research before you guys hop in. And like I said, there's a lot of regulations and process along with the prop firms. So I wish you guys all the best. Like I said, any questions, you guys can message me on Telegram or email me. And like I said, it'll be all on the video description. If you guys sign up for FundedNext under my affiliate, I appreciate you guys. And I thank you guys enough for following this channel. So without further ado, I just want to say God bless you all and thank you guys for watching this video, and peace out. And I do plan on live streaming on this either Thursday or Friday morning, so you guys get a chance to see how the trading actually happens on the live broker, the server itself. Peace out, guys.